Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is already the third generation Mercedes CLS and it's the topping AMG variant, the CLS53 AMG. It has a stunning designo selenite grey magno matte color. And in today's video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, the infotainment system, and of course we will listen to the sound. And this is the key, with a glossy black design, still sealed in plastic. So let's unlock it and we will start with the exterior of the car. Being the AMG top variant of the CLS, it will give you the double horizontal line in the grille with an AMG emblem. And that's what we have seen from the previous 63 design of Mercedes Benz AMG. With the edgy front, it has a very mean looking shark style. The first CLS appeared in 2003. It was a combination of a traditional 4-door sedan and a sports coupe. From the front you can see the massive AMG bumpers. The front opens to the lower side, just like an AMG GT. As I mentioned, two horizontal vents at the AMG grille and very edgy LED multi-beam light system. This AMG 53 model has a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with a single twin-scroll turbo accompanied with a hybrid system. The engine itself has 435 horsepower with 500 Nm of torque, and the EQ boost offers an additional 22 horsepower with 250 Nm of torque. This way it is more efficient and it has less turbo lag. Moving to the side of the car, you can notice the opening at the bumper for aerodynamics, and it has the large 20-inch AMG rims blacked out. The size is 245, 35, 20-inch. The total length of the car is 4 meters and 89 centimeters. So with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a 9G-tronic automatic transmission, it takes this almost 2000 kilogram car from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 4.5 seconds. It has the multi-spoke rims with a thicker part and the AMG emblem. The rear tires have a different size. It is 275, 30, 20-inch. From the side, a falling roofline with a coupe slope. But what is a real definition of a coupe? Should it be only a 2-door? Let me know in the comment section below. In the front, it has the Turbo 4MATIC Plus emblem, so the power is biased on the rear wheels. Also from the rear, it has a complete new design. Mercedes-Benz has tried to make the sides a little bit more curvy so that the front and the rear stand out. You can see the shark design taillights and the round shaped exhaust system. AMG emblem as well as the CLS53 emblem on the other side. It has an additional small wing lip with carbon fiber for aerodynamics, so you get more downforce to the rear axle. New for the 6-cylinder AMG models is the quattro round-shaped exhaust tips. AMG diffuser. So let me know what you think about them. Let's unlock the car and you can see the taillights brighten. This CLS is based on the E-Class, but it has a lot of technology from the S-Class. Hence the CL in the name, which is the older coupe model of Mercedes-Benz, and the S-Class stands for the luxury. I will unlock it with my foot. As you can see, it is very spacious, very wide compared to the predecessor, and it has a lot of trunk space. You can release the seats from this here. It's not really handy. We have to go around the rear to to fold the seats. Beneath it has some more additional space for your groceries, and it has buttons to lock the trunk again over here, but you can also close the trunk with your foot, only with the keyless entry option. Gorgeous looking coupe line, and the color looks stunning. The selenite grey Magno matte. It has a Burmester surround sound system. And let's fold the seats. I already pulled the handle, and you can just take it down, as well as the other part. They are fixed to each other, and you still have the upper part, which might be not that practical. Let's put them back. In two parts, and let's have a seat inside. As I'm sitting here in the rear seat, I do have some knee room, and the quality inside is amazing, especially the view to the front. It has the keyless entry, so you can lock the car and unlock the car with your hand. Amazing interior. The Edition 1 package. Contrast stitching. The seat adjustments with a Burmester surround sound system. And a new steering wheel for the AMG models. And leather AMG seats. So let's get inside. You can adjust the headrest down and up. Let's close the door. It has soft closing, and it has two large digital screens. I will just press the button for the electronics to work. AMG. Both screens are 13.2 inches. The center console has four beautiful turbo-style air vents with the IWC Schaffhausen clock at the center. Amazing carbon fiber center console. Two cup holders, a touchpad and a scroller, and some more storage space at the center with two USB slots, and storage space at the side passenger seat with a perfume setting and enough space. So let's start the engine and we will listen to the sound. You can adjust the steering wheel up, towards you and away from you. It has the AMG Edition package. So a gorgeous steering wheel with two vertical lines, leather and stitching, with a touchpad on the steering wheel to control the settings. So I will just scroll to the right to the heads-up display and pay attention to the GTR in front of us as I touch the button. So there it is, very reduced. So you can also change the content and go up to the AMG setting to see the RPM. And more to the right, you can change the style of the screen in front of us to classic, sport and progressive. So you can also control the system in the center with the touchpad. So let's swipe to the right and go to the vehicle settings. Here you can use the scroller, the touchpad and the volume button, as well as the dynamic select button, sport, plus, then the exhaust valves open, comfort mode, individual mode and the eco mode. So let's press the vehicle button again and we will just scroll down, track pace and the light settings. So this is also very advanced. It has the multi-color combination and 64 different colors to choose from. Carbon fiber on the side mirrors, and the interior looks gorgeous with the ambient lighting and the turbo style air vents and the addition contrast stitching in the interior. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for the next ones, and leave a comment and tell me what kind of car you would like me to review. See you there guys, bye bye.